Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Doogee S100 rugged Android smartphone. It is a smartphone which is designed to be rugged and versatile, with many fun useful features loaded inside. We will check out some main features later in the video. First let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box users will find, one Doogee S100 smartphone, wrapped nicely in a plastic wrapping. A user guide along with some accessories can be found packed underneath. A wall charger is provided along with a charging cable to charge up the phone, all packed neatly in the product packing. On first impressions, the Doogee S100 smartphone looks really sturdy and sleek in design. I love the modern colored textured back of the phone as it looks so elegant and classy. The rear cameras are at the back of the phone. There is a SIM card and SD card tray slot where you can place your data SIM card and SD card to expand storage if needed. Let's proceed to power it up. On first boot up, you need to follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. After setup, it boots into the home page, which looks neat and tidy. First let us test the camera interface. The camera user interface is easy to use with buttons for selecting the modes laid out nicely. Select if you want wide angle mode or normal mode easily. There are different image capture modes like beauty mode, night vision mode, and more easily accessible on the camera interface app, easy to use. It has a 32 megapixel front camera lens for users to use to capture selfies easily when out and about. Check out the night vision camera. With night vision available, easily use it to navigate through dark areas with ease. The night vision camera is clear and of good quality to allow for better navigation and capturing of images even in complete darkness, as you can see in this demo test. Next we check out some images and videos captured on the Doogee S100 smartphone. As you can see, the images and videos captured on the device looks good, with images and videos captured in good and clear quality. The 108 megapixel main AI camera helps capture clear and crisp shots when needed. Android 12 is running the S100. With Android 12, users get access to the latest phone apps available as of time of filming. There is a tool bag which allows you to use the functions within it for navigational or other on-the-go uses. It has cool functions like a compass, protractor, flashlight, and more. Many cool features. Next let us try running a game on the device to see its performance. It runs games pretty well. With 12 GB of built-in RAM and 256 GB of ROM storage, you can download, run and multitask effectively. Overall, I find the Doogee S100 rugged Android smartphone a durable, high-quality and functional device that feels versatile, not too bulky. It has a nice modern design to it. If you want to find out more about the device, check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.